everybody. Today we are at, I don't even know where we are. Hey everybody, this is J&A Review, and today we are at A&L RV Sales in Jackson, Tennessee. And before you ask, we had somebody ask us if we would just change it up a little bit and let Jeremy and I change places. So this is either going to be really good or this is going to be a complete disaster. Let's see what happens. Today we are looking at a Forest River Flagstaff Classic. This is model number 281RK. The length on this is 28 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 8,247 pounds and the hitch weight is 1,236 pounds. The GVWR on this one is 9,836 pounds. So if you are looking for something to go to national parks, this is going to be the perfect length for it. Do you have anything you would like to add?
No, you're doing a good job.
All right. Well,
if you like this with Amanda in the front, give us that thumbs up.
I don't know about that. Right up here, of course, is going to be your pin. Hang around to the end of our video. We would like to share a wonderful product from Proben Industries, and it's great for securing your campers while you're at a campsite, and we are so happy that they have partnered with us. Right up here, you've got great storage, and your batteries are going to go in here. You know, I think you need to talk about that part while I'm opening stuff.
Could be.
I'm
just so no use in not talking.
Well, exactly.
All right, up here, there's your 30-pound propane bottle. And your pass-through storage. Oh, wow, it's pretty nice. And your leveling is right on the door.
And it's 4-point.
4-point leveling. Oh, your docking bay. Oh, I just got rained on. Sorry.
Yeah, dripping here a little bit.
I didn't get a really good spot at it, but that's okay. Your furnace, they do give you an outside light.
You have the red hubs.
Yeah, got the Kurt under there, and then you got the red hubs for your anti-lock brakes. So we're coming down the side. Take a look. Oh, already prepped for the slide toppers.
And it's a Schwintek. No,
what?
It is a rack and pinion.
It's
slide.
a rack and pinion under here. And the back of your Flagstaff here. Oh,
Little
spray
port.
Well, that's your holding
Yeah.
hot and cold water there.
You do have a hitch down here, and this is going to be for an accessory rack only, not for towing.
You have a ladder, and it is prepped for the backup camera.
It is.
All right.
And I also like that it's got frameless windows
Frameless
on
windows, yeah. And your awning.
Your awning is going to be 20 feet.
20, all right.
And your water heater.
Okay.
Not tankless.
Not tankless. And the other side of your pass-through storage. A power TV hookup. Okay. And your other propane. All right.
Are we ready to look at the inside?
I'm ready to look at the inside. This is really sharp. Oh. You gotta turn the power on.
Oh. I don't know how to turn the power on. Oh, gosh. What do I do?
That big knob right on the front
Where
of
it says on.
Yep. Okay.
Ow.
That's what I gotta do.
Okay.
I'm gonna put all this at the back of the video.
Yeah.
All right, let's go in.
So if you think the outside of this one's cute, you're gonna love this.
You didn't shut the door like I do.
You tripped over the stairs like I don't do.
All
Okay.
right. This
Like
is a little rear kitchen. Yeah, it's a little rear kitchen.
Yeah, like we said, this could be a disaster today. But again, this one is really short and sweet. So if you are wanting the convenience of a fifth wheel, but not a whole lot of length, come check this one out. So, right back here, your compressor fridge with a freezer.
Yeah.
You have a nice storage drawer underneath. Really? All right, there we go. This is why we go in the other direction. This is what happens.
This is so funny.
Okay, let's look in the kitchen here.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, and there is a garbage can back here.
And it's solid surface.
It is solid
Wow.
surface.
Single bowl.
Yep, pull down faucet. And me slamming doors.
Oh, come on. You got it.
There we go.
Okay.
This is going to be campers for short people.
Magic shelf.
Nice big microwave. 3-burner cooktop.
Yep.
Oven. And nice drawer underneath. And over here.
Cool.
Cutlery drawer. Love that. Well, it's coming apart, but you have a...
All right, back here in the corner, you do have a tower of power.
Got a plug in over here. Your outside speaker controls. Where do you put this when we're talking? I don't know where to put it. I don't have anywhere to put it. Okay, I'll hang on to it. You're going to have a couple of bar stools here. Love these. And they do strap into place like this. TV. I'm going to say it is a 42.
You want to try to measure it?
As I said, this could be great or this could be a disaster.
Well, I'm just going to have a seat here.
Let's see. I'm going backwards, so I can't wait. Oh, it is a 42. See?
42. All right.
I'm going to put this right there. Over here in your slide, you do have this super nice recliner storage. There's USB down in there. Cup holders, and these are metal cup holders. They're not the plastic ones. Really nice.
Oh, blackout shades.
Blackout shades.
Yeah.
All the way around. Lights up here. Ah. Great pantry. Adjustable shelving.
Oh, I like that.
They give you a plug-in down here. Great space in here. And up here.
Wow. Okay.
And don't forget to show them the AC unit, because that's important.
Yes.
You have a coffee bar over here, electric, USB. Really nice storage under there. And I'm slamming doors because I'm not used to this. And this is lit.
And our junk box is dying.
Yes, it is. Coming up the stairs. Controls are going to be up here.
Oh, I like that behind the panel.
Yeah, it's nice and hidden. All right, coming into the bathroom.
Well, this ain't much of a shower test.
So if you're 5'2", you have this much space.
Oh my God.
Okay, we'll have to swap places for that one.
And
This is why we don't ever do it this way. All right, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. There is a skylight. So, yeah, if you're taller than 5'2", you still got it made in there. While you're in there, just finish this one out.
yeah.
Got the linen closet over here. You do have a towel ring. Nice porcelain foot flush toilet. Lots of leg room in front of it.
30 by 48 shower.
30 by 48. That is a great shower. Mirrored medicine cabinet up here. Is this solid surface? No.
No.
No, not solid surface in here, but it sure looks like it. It had me fooled. Nice big sink, and there is a little bit of storage underneath. I'm just going to keep the camera since I've got it because this is not going to work. And I have both mics.
Would this make the golden plunger?
Oh.
Because we didn't get it.
What do you guys think? It has everything that we need. It has a good sized shower, it has porcelain, it has a nice sink area, it does have a medicine cabinet, and it does have linen storage. So, yes, this is indeed going to get the golden plunger.
Yep, there you go.
That we almost forgot.
Yep. Okay.
We should not vary from our routine, ever.
No.
So, you know who you were that asked for that. This is why we don't. Okay, so underneath the bed, you do have some storage under there. This is going to be a king-size bed. I'm not sure what kind of shades it's got up there on the windows. Looks like a... Oh,
blackout.
Yeah, blackout shades.
Yeah.
Very nice. And then they give you little shelves on both sides. At the foot of the bed, you have 3 drawers. Big drawers, actually.
Shoe storage under here.
Yeah. There is that looks like 32-inch TV. I can eyeball that one. And you get 2 windows in here. Let me look up real quick. We do have second AC unit. Now remember, this is a smaller unit, so it is a mid-pro. Nice big closet up front with 2 drawers. I don't see a washer dryer prep in there. So this one may not be prepped.
Wow.
But yes, inside your closet you have another drawer, hanging bar, and a shelf.
All right, you got another one over here.
And another drawer.
Yep.
Wow. With a light switch. Very nice.
Little accent light over there.
Yes. So if you guys didn't get totally confused over which one of us was supposed to be doing what, and you need a smaller fifth wheel, this is it.
All right, everybody. Sorry for all the confusion. That was absolutely funny. So if you like this little Flagstaff fifth wheel, the dealership's information will be down in our description. And like always, just found our channel. Go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us. Give us that thumbs up for you, Kenny. Bye.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proben Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proben Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength, impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.